Hey guys, welcome back to the video. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today we're going to be talking about Terra 2.0. If you have not been paying attention to the chart, Terra Classic did have a significant drop yesterday, close to a 50% dip, and Terra 2.0 is down close to 80% since the release. I'm not talking about the all-time high, I'm just talking about the release price. A lot of people are having problems with their airdrop, and Binance just announced that they will be holding it off for 2 days. There is a lot to talk about today, but if you're here for the first time, you do want to stay up to date with everything to do with Luna, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video. This completely free to do so, but if you do decide to do it, it will just help the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more people see the incredible side of Luna 2.0. They decide to buy into it, decide to put their trust into it, it starts spiking up, and all of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Other than that, let's get straight into it. So to begin with today's video, first of all, let's talk about Terra Classic, and I want to show you guys something really interesting. So if you actually look at the trading volume, you can see in the past 24 hours it has come up close to 70%. Right now it is sitting close to 110 million, and the market cap has come down close to 25%. It is very clear why the trading volume has increased significantly, as a lot of whales and the retail investors decided to buy into the dip, as dropping 25% is pretty significant. Trading volume to the market cap ratio is sitting close to 20%, and at the same time the circulating supply has been put to an halt, and as you guys can see, it is sitting close to 36.4 billion from a long time. Now the reason I haven't been using TradingView is because after Luna Classic was changed the name, obviously the whole of the graph has been reset, so it's really hard to actually measure anything. But if we do decide to look at the short-term movement, you can see yesterday after the release of Terra 2.0 we did have a significant drop, and this drop will actually make a lot of people angry, let's just say, as it dropped close to 50% in less than 4 to 5 hours. And then we did have a jump up, and it can be clearly seen by the trading volume increase, a lot of people deciding to buy into the dip. And then after the big jump up, you can see that we started consolidating around this zone, which is close to 8. This is a very low number compared to the number we have been around for since the release of the big jump down for Luna Classic, but it still has a strong support that it will be able to form a consolidation period around here, and then maybe in the future, if there is a lot of people that decide to buy into it, it might spark up. Personally, I don't think Terra Classic is doing that bad compared to Terra 2.0. As you guys can see, it is down close to 73%. I mean, it makes sense because it just got released. A lot of people are selling the airdrop, and a lot of people haven't bought into it yet. As soon as the whales decide to buy into it and a lot of people decide to go ahead and invest more and more money into it, it will be a lot more stable. It has been out for less than 24 hours, so it is very early to make any sorts of claims, but it did actually release close to $17. It spiked at close to $19, and then it has just been dipping as more people are receiving their airdrop, they're taking their money out. And you can see the trading volume is up close to 7,000%, and it's sitting close to 300 million. Now 7,000%, it's very big number, but it's really simple because it was at 0 and now it's close to 288 million, so that's why it is a significant jump. Overall, I do see that Terra Luna 2.0 might actually go down a little bit more. As you can see, the low it made today was close to $3, and then it did bounce back a little bit. Now keep in mind that once it is going to be listed on everything, everyone has received their airdrop. After that, a lot of people who actually believe in the project will decide to hold on to it. Then it will be a lot more stable price and a slowly growth, but right now 73% just looks really bad. And also, just to mention, Binance has announced that they have listed Terra 2.0. Binance will list Terra 2.0 in the innovation zone and will open trading for Luna UST and Luna BUSD trading pair at 6 AM UTC on May 31st. Now May 31st is still close to 2 days away, and as I mentioned, most of the exchanges will slowly put the Luna 2.0 into their exchange, but when it comes to other ones such as Gate.io, they straight away just made it available, and now the trading pair is already on there. If you do want to trade Gate.io, then also KWON, a lot of exchanges have already listed Terra 2.0, but seeing that Binance has one of the largest trading platform, and also when it comes to overall, it is actually the largest exchange for crypto, so they have to be a little cautious in terms of what will happen in the near future. Also, if you decide to look out on Twitter, pretty much Luna 2.0, Luna has been trending the whole of the last 24 hours, and it is just going crazy. A lot of people want to know what will happen in the near future. Also, OKX, this is another big trading platform. As you can see, they have close to 1 million followers on Twitter. They have also just announced that they will be allowing trading of Luna on their thing, and the deposit has already been opened. So if you do want to go ahead and start trading Luna, that's another exchange. Something else which I want to show you guys is new Terra opens high as $30 on Bybit, then crashes by 80%, leading Binance to take more caution route. Exactly what we just talked about. Binance being the largest crypto exchange out there, they have to be very cautious, and seeing such a significant drop since the release, they're a little scared to actually put it onto their exchange. The reason they have waited the 2 days is they can see the momentum slow down, and once the volatility has calmed down, then they will go ahead and list it and make sure that the people that use Binance do not end up losing a lot of money. Earlier today, the new Terra blockchain went live, with the mainnet being apparently named Phoenix 1, and also the validity is crazy. That's why Binance will be making the innovation and listed on May 31st. Now, Ethereum, let's just say Vitalik Buterin slams Terra, saying no genius investment can generate 20% APY. Vitalik says Ethereum-based RAI stable is very different from Terra UST. The Ethereum co-founder welcomes more security of the decentralized finance industry. If returns seem to be good to be true, don't trust them just because it's crypto. Make sure you understand how they are being generated. I mean, I do understand what Vitalik is trying to say, due to the fact that he's just trying to make sure that the people who are going to be investing in Terra 2.0, they know what is behind it, how the system is going to work, rather than just putting their money in and gambling, because gambling is not what crypto is. If you decide to just learn a little bit about it, it will give you a lot more insight in terms of how the near future might look like. And also 20% APY, I do kind of agree with him, as that's a significant APY just for Terra. Luna is such a big company. Another thing is Luna 2.0 airdrop. What centralized exchange are currently supporting it? Now, in my opinion, I feel like Terra 2.0 launch was actually very good. Like, a lot of people expected it to be miserable and have a lot of problems, but I think it actually turned out to be much better than a lot of people expected, and that can be seen by the whole crypto market slowly recovering as Bitcoin has come back to 29k. Also, just be very careful. Luna 2.0 is very volatile right now. Be very careful. If you do want to invest in it, you're more than welcome to do so, but you can end up losing a lot of money in a very short period of time, as the validity in the Terra 2.0 is just crazy, as a lot of people are selling their airdrop. Other than that, thank you so much for watching the video to the end. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, drop a like on it if you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.